Hey guys, I am Kyle, and in today's video I am going to show you Temu affiliate marketing, how to make money on Temu affiliate program step-by-step tutorial. So let's get started. So the first step would be to go into temu.com, and then from here you would want to go all the way to the bottom once you are logged in and click on the affiliate and influencer earn commission. And then from here you would now be here in the affiliate program dashboard, and this is where you can see your earnings. And to go to the affiliate program wherein you can sell stuffs as an affiliate, you want to click on this share button here on the exclusive deal, and from here you can just choose the product that you would want to sell. So in my case, I already selected a product right here, so this is my product here. So what I want to do is click on the earn button, and from here you want to copy this link right here, and basically you just want to save this somewhere, in maybe in a note right here. So just save it somewhere, and then from there the next thing is you want to click on the product to open up a tab and select a photo right here that you would want to upload on the social media platforms for advertising your product. So in my case, I'll just choose this one, or you could just download everything right here and post them all together. So now the social media platform that we will be posting it on will be Pinterest for this example. So from here, once you are in Pinterest, the first thing that you want to do is make sure that your account is branded as a Temu product seller. So in my case, I'm gonna go to my profile, and as you can see, it says Temu Recos. So this is basically a brand that recommends Temu products with high quality. So as you can see right here, this is just an example right here. So you can click on edit profile, and you can change the brand of your profile right here so that you would look more credible. So that would be my tip. And then from here, once you are done branding your profile, the next thing would be to upload your product. So you want to click on create button and just simply upload the photos that you have right here. So for example, this one is mine. And from here, you want to add the title. So what I recommend is that you just cut the title right here into something simple so that it would be easier to understand. And then you want to go for the title right here. And the description of your product, I suggest that you use ChatGPT. And then I'm just going to use this right here. I'm just going to copy that and copy. And then from here, I'm just going to paste this here in the description. And then the affiliate link would go right here. So I'm just going to go back into my note and then copy the link right here of that product and add the link right here, paste, and choose the board that I would want to include this. So this is basically the collection. And in this example, I'll just go for my Temu products right there. The next thing is you can also tag a topic right here, or the next thing is basically you don't need to add the products because you would want them to go here into this link. So the next thing is you want to click on the more options, and from here I suggest that you disable the comment section because people, or especially your competitors, might want to leave bad comments right here just to destroy your sales. So I recommend just disabling that, and then you want to enable this so that it would be shown to similar products. And the next thing is now you can now publish that. And then boom, there you have it. You now have posted it in Pinterest right here. So when they click on the link right here, you would be able to receive the commission when they buy this product. And remember that you can also use or post this on other social media platforms. And I suggest that when you're using Pinterest in uploading this, you post 5 to 10 times a day. I know it's a bit tedious, but I promise you it will be worth it. So you will not only limit yourself to one product, you can upload as much product as you needed. So for example, you would want to select 5 products, then you can also upload that into Pinterest all together in a day. So that is what I recommend. So yeah, that is basically my simple strategy in earning here in Temu. That process would take you like 30 minutes a day. So yeah, that is basically how you can earn money here on Temu affiliate program. And there is also a feature in Pinterest where you can schedule your posts. You can also use that so that you don't have to do all the work every day in uploading your products. So I hope this video helped you out. Thank you for watching.